Okay, so today we're going to examine Tortuga right off of the coast of Haiti in the Caribbean. Let's take a look at Tortuga, see if there's anything interesting about it. And right away we start to see some amazing marine terraces along its coastline. Okay, and they go the whole stretch of this long island. Okay, it's kind of hard to see because it's really green, but this is a good section to see how there's big, distinct marine terraces. Now let's check the height of this one here. Uh, 240 meters. Let's go down here where we kind of get more terraces here. We can see, let's count them. Start at the ground level. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Then you can kind of see 3 here. Call that one 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9 all the way at the top with an elevation of 300 meters, which is over 900 feet. So yeah, this is an amazing place to study, and it's an indication of extremely fast ocean currents because these were formed just like river terraces were formed, and there's evidence of that all over the world, which I'll show you later in the video. But if you look at this feature here, you see how you get this kind of rounded edge here. These little corners are actually telling us something, and they're actually a directional feature of a part of a scarp edge, which you guys are going to learn about more later on. Okay, actually wait, I'm going to go back and explain one more thing. I want to go over to Haiti because Haiti's got some amazing ones. Just look at these, absolutely beautiful. And what we can see here is this is kind of the water path here. We got the scour coming through here, the trough, then the current swept along this coastline here. So this is also some major marine terraces. Okay, so I wanted to show you how the ocean current swept through here, and then it went through here, created the terraces there. So you can read it like this. Okay, now we're going to go to the Pacific. This is Vanuatu. I'll just zoom out so you can see where it is. This is by Fiji. And that's Australia. Okay, let's see if I can find my island. Is it this guy? Yeah, this is one of my favorite islands because you can again see the terraces really well, and then you've got some cataract features here, and some scoured up reefs. And let's look at these. Pretty nice. There's a lot of islands that have this feature in this area. But the reason why I like this one here is because you can, hold on one second, is this the spot? Let's check the elevation on this here. 285 meters, okay? So that's over 600 feet. If all the ice caps in the world melt, the sea level would only rise 200 feet. And these are volcanic land masses, so that's pretty impressive. And then this is a cool feature here. You can see the path of the ocean current And then these are cataract formations. Cataracts can be at all slopes, right? So I commonly talk about cataracts in very shallow formations because you can see so many of them that way. Here you can see two scarp edges right next to each other. But when most people talk about cataracts, you're talking about a steep waterfall. But whether it's shallow or steep, they still make that nice rounded shape. Okay, now we're in Italy. This is all-time best marine terrace in the world, in my opinion. Because just look at this thing. Unbelievable. There's just massive, big, distinct steps. That's what I like to see, is big, distinct steps that show clear recession of current level. So the terrace is the bottom of the water current. Right, so a river terrace is the bottom of the river. An ocean terrace shows the bottom of the ocean when there was a decently fast ocean current. And these are separated by hundreds of vertical feet. This one here is 662 meters. Okay, so that's pretty serious. And it happens to be right next to a canyon that goes across the mainland. Right, so there's a connection. This is kind of the arete of the canyon there. But there was an ocean current coming across. Let's see, this here. This is also a terrace as well, coming across here. And then this is also a really nice terrace. Yeah, so that's on Italy right there, right on the foot. Let's go to where are we now? We're in an island just south of Japan. See some nice steps. Okay. This is 192 meters on a volcanic landmass, which makes it more impressive. Let's go. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Guess where this is? The front edge of a subducting plate. Oh yeah, I'm talking about none other than the incredible terraces of Libya that stretch for hundreds and hundreds of miles, and they wrap around this coastline so beautifully. Let's get a, let's see, we can find it. It comes all the way to here. Let's just say it starts here, and we're going to measure it. Let's go into miles. And let's just see how long this coastline goes. We might have to switch terraces here. Let's see. So this terrace goes right down into the water. Whoops. And then it comes back up again. And now it's above sea level again. See, you can see it right here. And let's just do a rough estimate. I mean, we see it here. We see multiple here. Keep going. All right, it's not really clear here anymore, so I'm going to call it right back here at the end. So it's a 248 mile stretch of marine terraces that are multi-staged. Whoops. And a wrap around the coastline. Okay. So does that have anything to do with this feature here? Does that have anything to do with this feature here? Right? Could any of these features be interconnected? Oh, probably shoot in the dark and say it might be possible that there is a little bit of evidence of sheet water flow flowing across Africa. Just a shot in the dark though, you know, nothing too serious. It's not like there's massive ripples all over the place or anything crazy like that. So yeah, there you have it. Back to Africa because it's just the spot. Let's go to, this is actually a main terrace here. This curving thing here, it's got a lot of ravines coming through it. But yeah, it's pretty nice canyons on it. And then if we go to, so this is our Libya spot. If we go farther south, we find some in Egypt. And there should be a good spot around here. Where's that spot? Oh, here it is. So here's a nice marine terrace here. And let's see the altitude. 134 meters, pretty decent. So there you have it. There is an ocean current in the Mediterranean, just like there was an ocean current everywhere. And that's not what I'm saying. That's just what I think the erosion is evidence of. So yeah, there you have it.